20 inches just to get my roll on. My dirty ass truck. Except for my shoes. Look at them babies. They shining so bright. Oh, what do we got in here? My homeboy's got lanes on. Now this is an extra speaker power wire to hook up a whole nother amp and capacitor. There's one other amp. This is the exterminator. Oh yeah. Don't let her size fool you. This is King Kong's mother. Oh, that shit right here. This shit right here, nigga. This shit right here. See that? That. That's King Kong. Guess what? He's in my truck. Inches. I'll show you the rest of my car, but I haven't cleaned it out yet. So Zach, if you do me the honors of holding this, I'll go put some music on for the kind folks.
Oh, I just pressed the button, man. No, that's all good. Motherfuckers in the ass. If you look closely, it says comp. It's a motherfucking kick of comp. Come on, man.